Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So the first step you simply need to do is to go on Etsy. So you can see on Etsy many people are selling digital planner. So you can search here digital planner and wait for a few seconds. So here you can see that many people are selling digital planner, and if you want to create like this, so let me show you the complete process. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Canva, and you need to create account on Canva. If you want, I can give link in the description to create your Canva account as well. So this is my Canva account, and now I'm going on to my home. Once you are here, this is the main interface of the Canva. If you want, you can search share planner, and you can find different templates for the planner that Canva suggests you that you can use to create the planner. So here you can see that weekly planner, monthly. So I'm going with this one planner, and you can find different templates here that Canva suggests you that you can use to create. But let's suppose we want to create a custom. So you simply need to click on create a blank planner and wait for a few seconds, and it will load, and you can see a new page. So now you can see that I am on this page, but let's suppose I want to add a beautiful, I think, purple background. So we can search for purple background. So it is up to you. I am just giving you direction how you can create. So let's suppose I'm going to select this color. Okay, so here you can see that I added this, and now I want to add some text here. So you simply need to go and click on text, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to add weekly planner, and you can adjust this on to the top like this, and if you want you can position to the middle as well, but I want to position this on top, so let me slightly drag this to the down. Okay, so now it's look perfect, and now we are going to add for the detail about the days. So go on to the elements and search here square. You can add circle as well. So these are basically shapes. So I'm going to select this shape for example, and I'm going to make it white so that it is more visible, and our planner looks great with that. So here you can see that I added this. Let me make it a little bit smaller. That looks great. Now I am going to copy this shape, and let me copy this, and we can adjust these shapes like this, and let me copy again. Okay, so now you can see that we created weekly, and now I'm going to add text for each day. So you simply need to go on to the text. So I'm going to select this text for example. Okay, so make it a bigger like this. So this is for Monday. So for the Tuesday you need to add T. Let me remove this, and we are going to add T here, and here we need to add W. Okay, and let me copy this from here. Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and here we need to add for the Friday. and here we need to add for the Saturday, and here we need to add for this Sunday as well. Okay, so our first page is done, and now we are going to add the second page. If you want, you can use this background as well, but let's suppose you want to change this. So I'm going onto the photos and I want to add, let's suppose, this background. So it is up to you. I am just giving you the direction how you can do that. So this is it, and let's suppose you want to start with the Monday. So I'm going to add a line, for example, here, so that it will look more good. Okay, so let me remove this from here, and you need to select the second page and add the line. So it is up to you. I'm just adding the line so that it will look more good. Okay, you can add this in the bottom as well, but I'm adding in the on the top. Then you simply need to click on text, and here you need to add the day like this. You can use your own creativity to make it like this, to make it looks more good. And now I'm going to add this text, to do list. So you simply need to add that here like this, and now you can add dotted line as well, so that if anyone can, he can fill out the detail like this. So it is up to you if you want to add, but I am adding to show you how you can do this. So here you can see that you can add multiple lines as well, and if you want, you can add note in the bottom, so that someone, if he want any specific note, he can add note in the bottom here if you want. So let me add square here so that it will look some different. So add this one, make it color, I think that looks okay. So it is up to you. If you want, you can add, but I want to make it move here from here, and this one, I think it's not look good. So let me add the square, remove this and add square, and if someone want, he can add this. And now you can see that second page is ready. So you simply need to select this whole page, and you need to group this. So make sure, if you want, you can group this as well, and if you want, you can lock this as well, but you after that you need to add another page. If you want, you simply need to copy this whole page to here and add the all details here. But if you do not want, you can design each page separately, and you need to design 7 pages. And after that, this is the third page, you need to add fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, and seventh page. Once 7 pages are ready and your weekly planner is ready, after that you simply need to click on share, and you need to click on this download option, and after that, here you can see that our 7 pages are available for download. So let me show you. Here you can see all pages, then you need to click on download, on done, and you need to download. So this is the easy process by which you can make digital planner to sell on Etsy. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. So that's it for the today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.